Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Trussle Mortgage Broker Review My Usage Experience. Trussle Mortgage Broker Review My Usage Experience offers a mortgage brokerage service that connects users with various lenders to find the best mortgage deal. Their main purpose is to simplify the often complex process of securing a mortgage, targeting individuals and couples looking to buy a home or remortgage. Key features likely include comparing mortgage offers from multiple lenders and providing guidance through the application process. Their website provides details on their services and the lenders they work with. Trussle's main selling point seems to be its ability to streamline the mortgage search process. Their website suggests ease of use and a transparent process, emphasizing a comparison service to help users find competitive rates. While specific pricing isn't immediately visible, the implication is that the service itself is free, earning commission from the lenders. Availability is UK-wide, but users should check their website for specifics. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Trussle Mortgage Broker Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply inputted some basic information about my financial situation and desired mortgage type on their website. The interface was intuitive and well designed. I found navigating the various sections straightforward. The comparison tool was particularly helpful, clearly presenting different mortgage offers side by side with their key features, like interest rates and repayment terms. The entire process, from initial input to receiving tailored offers, was remarkably quick. I received about 5 different offers within a couple of days. I had a quick question about one of the offers and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how clearly they presented the information, eliminating a lot of the confusion I expected from the mortgage application process. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I found myself needing to switch to my laptop to complete certain steps. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Trussle's service. It significantly reduced the stress and complexity of finding a suitable mortgage. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and I would recommend it to anyone navigating the mortgage market. That's my overview of Trussle Mortgage Broker Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.